Dinesh said. If you're looking to get started with AI and explore Google's beginner-friendly offerings, here are some excellent options tailored to different learning preferences. Google AI courses for beginners. 1. Google AI Essentials. A self-paced, beginner-friendly course designed and taught by Google experts. Covers foundational AI concepts, generative AI tools, ethical considerations, and practical usage tips. Ideal for non-technical learners, no coding required. Typically takes under 5 to 10 hours to complete and includes hands-on exercises, videos, and readings. Successful completion earns a certificate. Grow with Google Yao. 1. 2. Prompting Essentials. A compact beginner-level guide focusing specifically on prompt engineering, the art of crafting effective instructions for AI. Great follow-up or complement to AI Essentials. Grow with Google. 3. Micro-learning paths on Google Cloud Skills Boost. Google offers a series of short 30-45 minutes to 2 hours. Beginner-level courses that earn you skill badges. Introduction to Generative AI, 45 minutes. Introduction to Large Language Models, 1 hour. Introduction to Responsible AI, 30 minutes. Introduction to Image Generation Attention, Mechanism, Transformer Models, and BERT Model. Create image captioning models. Introduction to Vertex AI Studio. These provide a concise introduction to modern AI technologies and are ideal for quick learning. Certificate Style Recognition.